What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy Slide Onyx. Let's get into it. First, you had this box that said slide on the top of the box, which is different from all the normal boxes because it's a little smaller than all the normal Yeezy boxes. Nothing on each side of the box, but we get to the front of the box and it reads Yeezy Slide, and the colorway is Onyx, Onyx, Onyx. Let's get into the inside. You got the same normal pull-out box, pull it on out, slide out. Then we got the same normal cream tissue paper that be in mostly every Yeezy box. We're gonna close it back up because we're finna get to the main ingredient of the video, and it is a Yeezy Slide Onyx. Alright, finally, I've been able to cop me a pair of these Yeezy Slides for retail. Man, I've been holding out for so long. I've always wanted a pair, but the resale prices were just ridiculous for a slide, so I was like, I'm gonna hold out, and finally one day I am gonna be able to hit on them. Luckily, finish line came through. I was able to hit on the raffle on in-store, and I was able to pick these up today, and man, what can I say? I finally see what the hype was about them. They are very, very comfortable, plain, simple shoe, simple slide. I mean, people just don't understand just because, oh, it just looks like it's just a slide, but once you put these bad boys on, man, the comfort is there. But let's get into the aspects of the shoe, which is not too much. Whole shoe is pretty much made of EVA foam, very cushiony everywhere around the shoe. Got that cushion of EVA foam going on around it. You got this little like crinkly bottom for the bottom for you to walk on, which is very nice. You got this part right here in the toe, which is kind of smaller than a normal slide because most slides are more open, but this one is a little bit smaller, but still very comfortable. We're gonna flip to the inside of the footbed right here, where you got this adidas symbol right here on the footbed, but the footbed is so very cushiony. Like, these don't even have boost in them, but they feel like they would have some in them just because of how comfortable they are. Very nice, squishy, easy to walk in shoe. But yeah, that's pretty much it on these. They're just all black, which I love because I can wear them with anything because it's all black. And like I said, very, very comfortable shoe. As you can see, very movable, very squishy and cushiony on the inside. You know, it just shows you the size tag on the inside of the shoe. But like I said, just nothing to it. Just a plain, simple shoe. They retail for $70, which many would be like, that's kind of high for a slide. But once you get these and put them on, it's just like, man, I mean, I guess they are worth it, the price, even though I know this EVA foam probably costs about $2 or something. But these right here is just, I mean, they're comfortable. To me, it was worth it, especially for my first Yeezy Slide in this black colorway. So, I mean, no complaints over here. If I can get these for retail, then I would. I want those pure ones too, but I wasn't. They only let you get one shoe color per raffle, so I was only able to get the black ones. But hopefully on the next restock, since it's becoming to be more, be in more stores now, more Finish Lines, more Foot Lockers and Champs and all that. Hopefully I'm able to hit the pure ones the next time. But right now we're rolling with these Onyxes, and I'm excited about these, so it's all good. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way, just all black, EVA foam going all throughout the whole shoe. Nothing too spectacular. You got that grippy bottom on the bottom of the shoe. Side, like I said, very thick. So I don't see these, you know, you should be able to get a lot of wear out of them just because they are very thick in the sole. And then on the footbed, you got that nice Adidas symbol and that squishy footbed right there. Shoe is just a very comfortable shoe all the way around. By looking at them, when I first saw these, I was like, man, those look like some jailhouse slippers. But after a while, they grew on me just like any other Yeezy does. So I finally was able to cop me a pair. Very excited about that. Sizing wise, okay, that's the thing about these. You got to be very particular on what size you get. Normally in men's, I would wear a size 6, but because everyone was saying a full size up, I got these in a size 7, and they fit me just right with just a little tad bit extra room in the toe. So I would recommend, if you're going for these and you wear like a whole size, go a whole size up. Even if you wear half size, I would say go to that next size up just because you want that little extra comfort. But if you do go true to size, then you're just going to probably feel the shoe all the way up. So if you find with that, then it'll be all good and it's still comfortable. But I would recommend a full size up on these because, like I said, I wear a men's size 6 normally in slides, but in these right here, I got a size 7 and they fit me just like a 6 would. So that's my point on your sizing. Just, you know, full size up, or if you can have a size but they don't come in half a sizes, so you got to go to full size up. But yeah, that's pretty much it I got on these. These was the Yeezy Slide Onyx. Y'all let me know down in the comments below, was you able to cop these today? Did you even go for them? I know 3 colorways came out. It was the Onyx, the Pure, and the Green Glow. So I was able to hit the Onyx, and one of the Pure didn't hit on them. But y'all let me know, did you cop any, or do you already have some? Which colorway do you have? What you think about them? What you think about the sizing wise? And just chop it up in the comments and let me know what y'all think about them. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. And you can stay tuned to the end for my own foot, so I can show you exactly where my feet, how they fit in these shoes. And I usually don't wear these with socks. I know a lot of people do, but I don't wear socks with mine because that was the point of a slide for me. But I know most people do wear socks with them, so it will be a tad bit different if you wear thick socks or if you don't have on no socks. So me with no socks, I still had that tad bit of room. But if I did put on socks, I still should be fine with them also. So y'all just let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about them. Do y'all wear the Yeezy Slides with socks or no socks? Let me know. But yeah, that's all I pretty much got for y'all today. Continue to like and subscribe. If you're just not watching any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, y'all know how I go. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.